Good morning. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. This morning I want to show you the art of mindfulness through a simple activity that you do every day, having your morning coffee or tea, whichever is your preference. So you can listen to this prior to making your coffee, during, or whilst drinking it. The main task is to stay completely relaxed, attentive, and mindful as you do. As you make your beverage of choice, I want you to indulge in the senses of each act. So listen to the pouring of water into the kettle, the sound of the water boiling as it heats up. Feel the coffee beans in your hands. Smell them. Admire the mini mountain of sugar grains collectively pouring into your cup. Breathe nice, deep breaths on this beautiful morning. You're rested. You're enjoying this present moment and breathing nice and relaxed. Now, stay this attentive with nice, deep breaths whilst your drink is made. So, where shall we sit for our morning coffee? Let's sit down in a comfortable position, preferably by an open window or in the garden. Wrap your hands around your mug, nice and warm. Smell the beautiful aroma of the coffee as it rises into the air, and watch the mist of heat rise up, up and away. Breathe deeply in and out. Nice deep breaths. Completely grateful for this moment of stillness. As you take that first sip, you allow yourself to focus as it warms your throat and travels down in the depths of your body, infusing you with energy needed for the beautiful day ahead. You continue like this, attentive to all the sensations of your morning drink. As you listen to the birds tweeting away, feel the breeze of the morning air and feel completely relaxed and at ease. Refreshed, focused, and blessed. I'm going to leave you to stay in this blissful state as you drink your morning coffee, and I hope you manage to recreate this sense of calm and mindful attention throughout every coffee cup today. If you need to, just put this video back on as a helpful guide and have coffee with me. Please like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Share with friends and family, and thank you for taking the time to have your morning coffee with me. Bye.